When maintaining your home, gutters are often the unsung heroes. They protect your property from directing rainwater away from your roof and foundation. But like any part of your home, gutters require regular attention and maintenance to perform at their best. At RedClean, we're here to answer the question, can we fix gutters? The answer is yes, if the gutters are in good working order. In this comprehensive guide, we'll explain how we can help. We specialise in professional external cleaning with a focus on gutter maintenance. Gutters serve a critical role when it comes to safeguarding your home. Properly maintained gutters prevent water damage, protecting your roof and ensuring that water is directed away from the foundations and prevents costly structural issues. Neglecting gutter maintenance can lead to a range of problems. Water damage. Clogged or damaged gutters can cause water to overflow, damaging your roof, walls and even your home's interior. Foundation issues. Excess water near your foundation can weaken over time, potentially resulting in cracks and costly repairs. Pest infestations. Stagnant water in clogged gutters can become a breeding ground for mosquitoes and other pests, creating a health hazard. Mould and mildew. Moisture trapped in your clogged gutters can promote the growth of mould and mildew, which can be harmful to your health and difficult to remove. Our expertise, clearing and reassembling gutters. At RedClean, we specialise in the essential aspects of gutter maintenance, clearing and reassembling gutters. Here's how we go about it. Clearing gutters. Our team of professionals use top-of-the-line equipment designed specifically for gutter cleaning. This high-powered equipment allows us to efficiently remove leaves, twigs, dirt and any other debris that might obstruct the water flow. Here's why our gutter clearing service is a cut above the rest. Efficiency. Our equipment ensures no debris is left behind, promoting smooth water flow and preventing clogs, leaks and potential damage. Safety. Climbing ladders and dealing with debris-filled gutters can be dangerous, but our team is trained to work safely at heights, reducing the risk of accidents. Thoroughness. We leave no stone unturned when cleaning your gutters, providing a complete and adequate service. Reassembling gutters. In cases where gutter sections have come apart or developed gaps due to the weather or wear and tear, our professionals can reassemble them seamlessly. Here's how we do it. Assessment. We assess the condition of your gutters and identify sections that need reassembling. Alignment. Our team precisely aligns the gutter sections, securely clipping or sliding them back together. By addressing these issues promptly, we help you avoid costly water damage and maintenance and the integrity of your gutter system. Beyond maintenance, addressing gutter repairs. While our primary focus is on gutter cleaning and reassembling, we also have the expertise to identify more extensive issues that may require repairs. Here are some everyday situations where gutter repairs may be necessary. Cracks and holes. Over time, gutters can develop cracks or holes, especially if they're old or have been subjected to severe weather conditions. Rust and corrosion. Rust can eat away at the metal gutters, compromising their strength and durability. Loose or sagging gutters. Gutters that have become loose or sagging away from the fascia need immediate attention. Downspout issues. Downspouts are integral to the function of your gutter system. We can address these issues if they need to be correctly aligned. Preventative measures. Gutter guards and screens. Why choose RedClean? Now that you understand our services, you might wonder why you should choose RedClean for your gutter maintenance. Here are some compelling reasons. Expertise. We specialise in gutter clearance and have cleaned and cleared thousands of properties' gutters. Safety. We prioritise safety and have the training and equipment to work safely at heights, reducing the risk of accidents. Efficiency. Our professionals can complete gutter maintenance and repairs quickly and effectively, saving you time and effort. Proper equipment. We have specialised tools and equipment for gutter work, ensuring a thorough job. Preventative measures. We offer regular maintenance cleans. We'll keep your gutters in top shape all year round. Gutter health. When you choose RedClean, you're investing in your home's long-term health and property protection. So, can we fix your gutters? At RedClean, we are your trusted experts in gutter clearance. By enlisting our services, you're investing in the longevity of your gutters and the protection of your home. Don't wait for problems to escalate. Schedule regular gutter maintenance with RedClean and enjoy peace of mind knowing that your channels are in capable hands.